I will show you the DRAGoN project, a drone for radiation detection of gammas and neutrons. What is the problem that DRAGoN will address? Radioactive and nuclear materials may compose a threat to public health and homeland security in the form of terrorism menaces, lost orphan sources, nuclear accidents, or radioactive contamination. The DRAGoN prototype incorporates an integrated thermal neutron and gamma ray detector in order to be able to detect and identify gamma emitters and also special nuclear materials. The DRAGoN project goal is to design, develop, and characterize a mobile system composed of an unnamed aerial vehicle with a radiation detection system capable of identifying radioactive contamination spread over an area of a few to tens of square meters. The DRAGoN prototype will detect and discriminate simultaneously gamma and neutron radiations. The radiation detection system uses two solutions designed to be interchangeable with the same electronics readout in order to adapt it for a variety of threats in nuclear security. Radioactivity counter monitor based on a plastic scintillator with excellent physical hardness, long-term stability of scintillation, and optical characteristics. Radionuclide identification system, a gamma spectroscopic scintillator with neutron detection capability. The drone choice equipped with two different detection systems could be quickly sent to danger areas, providing details about the radioactive threat to nuclear advisors and decision makers. The DRAGoN drone role is to provide a fast data acquisition and create an accurate mapping of the zone of interest. An hexacopter will give the highest flexibility in terms of position accuracy. Thanks for your attention.